Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor Tips video. Today I'm going to show you how to control which users can see which computers on your network. In AB Tutor there are two main types of console user. There's normal users and administrators. Administrators have full access to create and configure groups and by design have access to everything. Normal users can't see the All Items group and can have their access to other groups restricted as well. To set this up, ensure you are logged into the console as a console administrator. You can check by looking for the All Items group. If it's visible, then you are an admin. Create and populate groups as normal by dragging devices into groups or by going through the group's properties. Once your groups are filled and set up, we can start to set permissions. To do this, select the group or groups that you want to configure, right-click and select Properties. The Permissions tab allows you to specify which users are allowed to see this group. Initially, the list will be empty. This means that everyone has access to the group, but we can click on Add and then select the users who are to be allowed to see it. If user isn't in the list, the group will be completely hidden from them. They won't see it in the list of groups. The Hostname Restrictions tab is similar. This allows you to specify which computers are allowed to see the group. So for example, if you only want the group from room 1 to show up for the computer at the front of room 1, you can add it here. This means that no matter who uses that computer, they will have access to that group. Note that if you have entries in both the permissions and hostname restrictions lists, both conditions must be satisfied. That is, they must be an approved user on an approved device. If you want a group to only be available for the console administrators, you only need to add one of them to the list. This will block all normal users, but admins can always see everything. If you want a group to be available to anyone who's on either list, this can be done by making 2 copies of the group and assigning user permissions to one and device permissions to the other. I've now set these groups so that only Bob can see room 1 and only Doug can see room 2. I can still see both as I'm logged in as an admin, but if I close and reopen AB Tutor as Bob, you'll see that only room 1 is visible in the list. As always, if you have any questions about this or any other AB Tutor features, please email us at support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.